Did you know that you can legally sell famous artwork from some of the biggest art museums in the world, like the Smithsonian, the Met, the Chicago Museum of Art? And you can do all of this legally with high resolution photos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that and how you can create custom print-on-demand pieces using famous artwork. So this is all through the public domain. So basically, after a certain time period, an artist's work, even if they're super famous, will go into the public domain so that it can be used completely copyright free. And this applies to everyone, even everybody's famous character of all, Mickey Mouse, who fell into the public domain this year. So now you can use the very famous Steamboat Willie in any of your designs as well, and Disney's not going to come chasing you down for it. You can easily find different pieces of artwork that you would like to use by going to any of the different museums' sites and looking at their open access in their collections area. So you can go into the collection of all the pieces that they have in their collection, and you can sort first off by open access. So this way you have, again, a copyright-free access to the image, and you can down a high-resolution photo. Then you can search for other types of art based on if you're wanting to do a drawing or a painting or embroidery. You can search by artist or specific style or period as well. You can find different pieces of artwork that you would like to use and then download them to your computer. Okay, so now you found some artwork that you'd like to use. Well, what do you do with it? Well, I definitely recommend using print-on-demand. My favorite provider is Printful because you can have so many different pieces all from one print-on-demand provider instead of being different suppliers across the world. This means that it's really easy for you to upsell items. So you could have the same piece of artwork on a mug or a puzzle or a t-shirt, however you want to do that, and they all ship together. So that means one shipping fee, and it makes it a lot easier where customers don't have multiple packages coming to them and then they're just going to get confused and cause some customer support nightmare issues. So once you've found your piece of artwork that you'd like to use, you can just download the image and upload it to a platform like Canva, which is a free online editing software. You can then design the image however you would like for whichever piece of print-on-demand product that you're going to use. So for example, you could get a beautiful painting and turn that into a canvas wall art print and sell them in a collection of multiple different canvases on a certain type of style like nautical. Or you could take the same image and turn that into a jigsaw puzzle. You could also create different mugs with the different artwork designs on it, or you can create custom t-shirts. Whatever you do though, I would really think about how you can add to the image. So not just taking the image, downloading it straight from the Smithsonian and then uploading it to a coffee mug, because honestly, that's not very special and it's not gonna make people really excited to purchase that. Think of how you can add some additional value and design a little bit more on top of the image. So for this shirt, for example, can you see it? This is a Monet piece that has a couple different photos and a little blurb, oh no, this side, a little blurb of the artist and a little biography. It makes it really custom and unique, and it gives a little bit more value than just having the art pieces just slapped onto a t-shirt. So how can you do something similar? Either telling about the artist a little bit more or having some interesting typography on it, making it a unique and custom piece in and of itself as well. You can do all of this through Canva. You can set up a custom size depending on what your medium is going to be. Like if it's a t-shirt, getting your template design set up to be the exact size that Printful needs. And then you can design your image however you want. So you can have that same image that you've downloaded from the Smithsonian and add some text onto it and highlight different key areas. They're high resolution photos, so you can also zoom in and crop different things as well to create your own custom design. Once you've got your design ready, you can then connect it in with Printful and connect to different platforms like Shopify if you have your own online store, or Etsy, so that as soon as an order is placed, it'll automatically go to Printful for them to fulfill the order and ship it out to the customer for you. This really helps keep inventory costs low since the products are actually just printed as soon as they are purchased, and it makes it a little bit less scary to get started with the business and have a lot less cost up front. Ready to launch a Shopify store but don't really know how, or maybe it's a little overwhelming? Check out my online mini course, Ecom in a Weekend, where I take you step by step how to launch your Shopify store in, you guessed it, a weekend. We cover everything you need to know, like how to set up your products, your collections, build out pages on your site, and design your site overall to match your branding and your style. We also go through setting up different apps, my favorite Shopify apps, as well as how to find the right app in the App Store that meets the functionality needs for your business. I also go through how to set up your settings, like your shipping and your taxes, make sure everything works and you're good to go to launch your store. I have bonus videos as well of how to create a logo in Canva and create your different product designs and then connect them into Printful. I show you exactly how to connect Printful in with your Shopify store so you can get everything set up and ready to ship for you print on demand. All of this is included just for $37, and it goes far more in depth than I do in a YouTube video, showing you exactly step by step. So all you need to do is follow along with me and we can get your Shopify store launched quickly. If you're interested to learn more, then click the link below and find out more information on my site. So go ahead, check out the different museum sites, take a look at all of the huge collection of artwork that's available and open access, copyright free for you to use. Also do a little bit of research on different platforms like Etsy to see what artists are trending. Are there already popular artists online that are showing up, like a Van Gogh or a Monet, that you can highlight some of those different key pieces? Or maybe you can tie into a upcoming holiday and use a specific style of artwork to tie into a new holiday theme that's coming up as well. There are so many options available for you, both in artist as well as print-on-demand products. You can turn a Van Gogh into a beach towel or a mouse pad or whatever you'd like. The sky's really the limit there for you. So I'm so excited to see if you're interested in using some of these famous artworks to create products for your store as well. Make sure to comment below and let us know what ideas that you have. Also check out over here to see a couple more print-on-demand tutorials. If you're interested in using print-on-demand for your e-commerce store, we've got additional tutorials showing you exactly step by step what to do.